Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up follow-up emails in SendGrid. It's a great way to keep your audience engaged. First, head over to Marketing section in your SendGrid dashboard and select Automation. From here, you can create a new automation workflow. Choose a trigger event, like when someone subscribes to your list or when they don't open your initial email. Next, you'll want to create the follow-up email. This is the second email that goes out if the subscriber hasn't interacted with the first one. You can either use a pre-designed template or create a new one from scratch using SendGrid's drag and drop editor. Once your follow-up email is designed, set the delay for when it should be sent. Whether it's 1 day, 3 days, or a week after the first email. You can also set multiple follow-ups if needed to create a more detailed sequence. Don't forget to test your workflow to make sure everything is working as expected. Once tested, hit Activate to launch your automation. Using follow-up emails helps you stay in touch with your audience and increase engagement without bombarding them with multiple emails at once. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.